Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, One Killer Cat, back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Y'all can see we already out at the gate gas station. Look over there behind me. Y'all done seen Candy, but have y'all seen this monster here? There it is. Going out to a car show in Georgia, man. My homeboy invited us out. Look, we got everything pulling up. We about to go to Georgia, turn up. We got everything out here. What you want? You want Mustangs? You want Hellcats? What you want? What do you want? Because we got it all. I'm gonna turn this camera around. We're gonna get some footage, boy. Let's get it. Hey man, take it off, bro. Man, y'all see the face, get it twisted. Y'all see the setup. Yeah. They not playing. All right, y'all, we made it here. Got the car cleaned up and got the ambiance of the trophies being out in the background. So, y'all see it, what time it is. We're gonna do a little walk. Y'all seen these, this is what we came down with. So Jacksonville coming to Georgia again. We're gonna try to show out. Brought all the cars all the way down. Bruh, we got a serious lineup. So, once this thing gets stacked, we're gonna see what we can do. Y'all, of course, you know, my boy brought me down, told me about it, so we're gonna see if we can take a trophy in here, man. If y'all haven't already liked this channel, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video, man. We're going up. Tell me right now in the comments whether you think I'll win a trophy. I'm gonna start shooting more as soon as we get more vehicles.
This is how Duval, this is how Jacksonville, this is how we do it. We show up and we turn out. Look.
Quick turn up session,
you know. All these bitches so you can get nobody else.
Quick turn up session real quick.
of them 40K will get you both. This at 40K you can have them. How much, bro? 40K both of them. They both are 40K. Straight outside, bro. Hey, 40K. In the trailer outside, if you need to haul it with that, he got it.
Y'all see what time it is. They done made us pull up outside. They kicked us out the building. Yo, take that shit outside. There's too many cars. And Duval out here, we showing.
You want to go
out.
to war? Bring it outside.
Bring it outside. Y'all see Duval, bro. We out here. Yeah. Boom, y'all see my boy right there. Yo, what Duval doing out here, bro?
Hey, Duval, I appreciate everybody in Jacksonville. When we show up, we show out. We come united. Look at this shit. We are the car show. Man, what the fuck they talking about, man?
We out here, bro. And then, see, that ain't even it. We swap back. Boom. On this side. Yo, we out here. Duval going hard. We out.
Niggas got nitrous and shit.
Took home another trophy. Y'all see it in the background right there, right in the middle. Best modern sedan, that's what I got. Another trophy, let's see.
Yeah, there it is. Damn, ain't nobody else. Y'all beat the Ferrari. What I'm talking about. Best Ford. Let me see. Yeah. I'm from here, nigga. I'm from Waycross, man. Hey, there you go. Yo, trying to get this best of the show. Y'all see the work.
Gary Franklin.
Y'all see the lineup. Trying to get this best of the show. Y'all see the lineup. Killing it.
Yo, they got us in the front, trying to take home the big trophy. Right now they got best of show. See who they pulled up to the front, trying to get this best of show.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
About to do this. Hey, if Duval don't take this home, hey, this is a scandal. But hey, somebody from Duval taking this. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Guarantee. Hey.